Oh no! The screen is black, it doesn't work. Come on, start. Please start. Nothing, no music. No messages, this is so bad.
Morning, Mom. Why do you look so stressed, huh?
Hi, Anna. My phone is broken. Look, the screen is black. It won't turn on, huh? Oh, that is sad.
Did you charge it?
Yes, I tried. No light, no sound, nothing. Maybe the battery is broken. Without my phone, I feel lost. I can't check messages. I can't even see the time. What time is it?
Don't panic, Mom. Let's take it to the repair shop.
The repair shop, where is it?
It is on Green Street near the cafe. We can walk there.
Okay, I have no choice. Let's go. Without my phone, I feel nervous. I can't listen to music.
Don't worry, look around. The morning is beautiful.
But it feels strange. Usually, I just look at my screen.
Try to look outside. Look at the street, the people, the shops.
Oh, the smell. Wow, the bakery smells so good.
Yes. Fresh bread, warm bread.
Usually, I just order food online. Now I see real bread right here.
See real bread.
Real life. Ha ha ha. The smell is sweet, it makes me hungry. Hum.
Fresh bread is always better than food on a screen. Ha ha ha.
Wow, the bus is full of people, huh?
Yes, people go to work every morning.
Full. You mean many people.
Empty seats, exactly. Full means no space.
I see a full bus. I never watched this before. Hum. I always look at my phone on the bus.
You can learn new things by looking around.
Oh wow, the trees are tall. The sky.
Hey, beautiful, right?
Haha. Yes, I usually look down at my screen now. I look up.
Up is better.
Yes, better the birds sing. The air feels fresh. I like this.
Listen carefully. This is the real world.
Maybe this walk is not so bad.
See, without a phone, you can still enjoy life.
The smell of coffee. Strong and sweet. Yes, fresh coffee. Do you want to stop? But without my phone, I can't pay online.
Don't worry, I have cash, or check your bag.
Oh, I have cash. Thank you. Let's sit for a moment. Wow, it looks hot. The steam goes up.
Careful, Mom. It is hot and strong.
Bitter but also smooth. Coffee gives energy. Usually I drink coffee at home with my phone in hand.
Now it feels different. Different is good. Ha ha.
Sometimes I can see people here talking, laughing. It feels alive.
Exactly, people, not screens. Oh, look at the flowers, red.
Yellow, pink. Yes, the flower shop is beautiful. Wow, I never noticed this shop before.
Because you always look at your phone.
Ha ha ha. Now I see more colors. Colors make life rich. Oh, the children are so happy. They laugh so much.
Simple things make them happy.
Maybe I can learn from them to enjoy small things.
Small things, big joy.
A music. A guitar, yes, live music. I like this sound better than music on a phone. It is real soft and alive.
See, no phone, no problem.
Oh, the dog run fast, it looks happy. The park feels peaceful. Peaceful and calm. Oh wow!
Look at the fruit, so fresh.
Red apples, yellow bananas, the smell is sweet. I usually buy them online. Now I see the real fruit here, huh? Ah.
Touch it, smell it, choose it. That is better.
The street is alive, so many faces. You see more without a phone. Hello.
How can I help you?
My phone is broken, the screen is black.
Okay, let me see.
Can you fix it? What's that?
Yes, it's only the battery. I can change it, but it will take about 1 hour.
Really, that's great, huh? 1 hour. Okay, we can wait.
Hour without a phone, 1 more hour too.
Maybe you're right. Today I saw the bakery, the flowers, the park.
Yes.
And you smiled more. Phones break, but life doesn't stop. Life goes on.
Here you are, new battery. It works now.
Oh wow! The screen is on my phone is alive again, thank you. Strange, I have my phone again. But I don't feel the same.
What do you mean?
Before I felt lost without it. Now I feel free with or without it. Wow, the sky is so beautiful, orange, pink, and soft blue.
Yes, evening colors.
This is the real gift. Today I learned to look up, not only down at my phone.
How good lesson.
I feel calm, peaceful, and happy. You know, today was special. My phone broke, but I saw the world. I heard sounds, I smelled bread and flowers. And you enjoyed it.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
A broken phone gave me a full day. That's the meaning of today. Life is not only in the phone, life is all around us. Thank you for being with us today. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Can you live one day without your phone?